Hello everyone, and welcome to my redo of the FlyLady using the 31 baby steps of her program. And we are on baby step 13 today, and we are going to be sticking to all the things we've already been doing. And today we are going to go and learn about missions. So I've already looked at the website. Again, marketing genius, the FlyLady, because she brings us back to that website on the daily. So missions are where you start learning about her zone cleaning. The week I'm in right now, we are working on the bathroom and one extra room and learning about the zones. It's a Monday through Friday task list where you do one of those tasks. You do a task every day basically to work on that zone. Then by the end of the week, that area should be nice and sparkling and organized and all of that. So we're going to do one of the missions today, which is to clear off a bathroom counter, and then one extra room is supposed to be an entry closet, which if you are following along in my journey, I actually did that earlier this week as a declutter project. So I'm going to work on clearing off my bathroom counter, and I'm going to do 15 more minutes of decluttering. And I'm working on, yesterday, day 12, I worked 15 minutes in my closet. I've been tackling that. I kind of am combining the 15 minutes of decluttering kind of combined with a 5-minute room rescue. So really I could do 20 minutes in the closet, only because I kind of combine them. A room rescue is supposed to be you just work on a room and cleaning it and getting it ready. The decluttering is actually to get rid of clutter. Well, I'm combining them because I'm cleaning out the closet and I'm getting rid of things. So I'm combining the two. So I'm going to do 20 minutes in my closet, and I'm going to do my room rescue in my master bathroom, or my zone mission today, which is to clear off my bathroom countertop. So once again, I'm going to just address the fact that the woman is a marketing genius in regards to getting people to that website, because if you're doing her program, it's like you have to go back to it every single day to find out a mission, to find out some kind of information from her. So one, I can see how it really can keep people on track. Two, I think it's kind of inconvenient, but I see where it gets people to stay motivated to do this whole system. So day 13, let's get started. We're gonna do the 15 minutes and go. All right, so now I'm going to be doing a 5-minute room rescue, where I will be putting all of these purses that having a hard time. All of these purses that I took out of my front entry, where I will be putting them into a better place in my closet. Day 13's declutter pile. Still got a ways to go in here. Declutter. That, and the purses got put in a new home. Okay, so I'm working on the mission for today and my zone, which is the bathroom. So I'm working on my bathroom on the clearing the clutter on the counter, which, because we haven't done any kind of cleaning in 13 days, it needs it. Now normally I would wash everything down when I'm clearing stuff, but this is just kind of a declutter from my understanding. So I'm putting everything just where it needs to go. It's a quick task is how the intention of it from my understanding so far, but I'll continue reading and developing that theory. So here I go.